Hello students, welcome in the fourth part of Algebra chapter number 1. See these equations. Here you will find 2 upon x minus 3 upon y equal to 15 and 8 upon x plus 5 upon y equal to 77. So in second part, first part, you have seen the different one. Now it is totally different from that sums. So how to solve this sum? So let's see. First, the denominator is x and y. So we cannot cancel it directly. So what you have to do it? So let 1 upon x. So I am taking 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b. Now let's substitute the value of this one. So you get it 2 into 1 upon x means 2a minus 3 into 1 upon y means 3b equals to 15. This is our equation number 1. Now if you substitute the value of 1 upon y in here, you will get this one. So 1 upon x means a. So here you will get it 8a plus this will be 5b equals to 77. This is our equation number 2. Now observe this. You will find that these are the equations, simultaneous equation, and we know that how to solve the simultaneous equations. In the first, see, here is 8 and here is 2. So if you want to equalize these two, you have to multiply by 4 to the equation number 1. So multiplying by 4 to equation number 1. So what you get it? 4 2s are 8a minus 4 3s are 12b equal to 15 4s are 60. So this is equation number 3. Now observe the second and the third equation. Both have 8a is the same. So you have to subtract the equation 3 from second. Subtracting equation second from third. So here 8a plus 5b equals to 77. 8a minus 12b equals to 60. While subtracting, we know that we have to change the sign. It will be plus, will be minus, minus will be plus, and plus will be minus. So 8a will be cancelled. So here you get it 5 plus 12, 17b, and 77 minus 60 will get it 17. So 17 goes on that side. So you will get it b equals to 17 divided by 17, and therefore the value of b equals to 1. Now we can substitute the value of b in equation 1, either 2. So I am going to substituting value of b in equation 1. So 2a minus 3b equals to 15. So 2a will be as it is minus 3. In bracket you have to write the value of b is a 1 equals to 15. So 2a minus 3, 3 1 the 3 equals to 15. Now 3 will go on that side. So 2a equals to 15 plus 3. So 2a equals to 18. Now 2 goes on that side. You will get it 18 divided by 2. So a equal to 9. Here you got the value of a equals to 9. But we have to find out the value of x and y. So again you have to resubstitute the values. So here 1 upon x, but 1 upon x equals to a. So substitute 1 upon x where x will be as it is. A's value I got it here 9. So you will 9 comes on this side and x goes on that side. So x you will get it 1 upon 9. And then if you substitute the value of y, so 1 upon y equals to b. B's value 1 upon y will be as it is. B's value I got it here 1. So y goes on that side and 1 will come on this side. So y equals to 1. So therefore the solution for this one is x and y equals to 1 upon 9 and 1. Let's start with the sum number second. Now observe this. This is again a different one. But here you can take let 1 upon x plus y equals to a and 1 upon x minus y equals to b. Now substitute the value of a and b here. So what you get it? 10 into 1 upon xy means 10a plus then 2 into 1 upon x minus y means 2b equals to 4. This is our equation number 1. Now substitute in second one. So what do you get? 15a minus 5b equals to minus 2. This is our equation number second. So here observe this. Can we equalize this? No, directly we cannot because 10 and 15 is there and 2 and 5 is there. So what you have to do? You have to equalize this, either this one. So this is simple to equalize. So I am going to multiply by 5 to equation number 1 and 2 by equation number second. So multiplying by 5 to equation 1 and 2 to equation number second. So if you multiply here, you will get it 10 5s are 58 plus 5 2s are 10b equals to 5 4s are 20. This is equation number 3. And then here you have to multiply by 2. So 15 2s are 38. Then minus 5 2s are 10b and 2 2s are 4. This is our equation number 4. Now observe, here you will get that 10 10 is same. And observe the sign, these signs are different. So if the signs are different, then you have to add it. So I am going to adding equation number 3 and 4. So 58 plus 10b equals to 20. And then 38 minus 10b equals to minus 4. While adding, remember, don't change the sign. So here plus 10 and minus 10 will be cancelled. So this will get it 88 and 20 minus 4 will be 16. So 80 goes on that side. Therefore, you will get the value of a 16 upon 18. And you know the table, 16 1s are 16, 16 5s are 18. This is the value of a. Similarly, you have to find out the value of b. How can we? Now substitute the value of a in equation number 1. Substituting value of a in equation number 1. So which is equation number 1? 10a plus 2b equals to 4. So 10 in bracket you have to write it 1 upon 5. Instead of a, then 2b will be as it is equals to 4. So 5 1s are 5, 2s are. So it remains 2 1s are 2 plus 2b equals to 4. Now 2 goes on that side. So you will get 2b equals to 4 minus 2. So 2b equals to 2. Then 2 goes on that side. So 2 upon 2 means b equals to 1. Now what you have to do? You have to substitute the value of b. Let's substitute the value of A and B in this one. So 1 upon x plus y equals to A's value, we get it 1 upon 5. Now cross multiply, so we'll get it x plus y equals to 5. This is equation number 5. And then for this one, 1 upon x minus y equals to B's value, we get it 1. If you cross multiply, we will get it x minus y equals to 1. This is equation number 6. Now you have to add, either subtract the equation 5 and 6. I am going to add it, adding equation 5 and 6. So here you will get it x plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 1. While adding, don't change the sign. So it will be cancelled. So x plus x equals to 2x, 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So 2 goes on that side, x equal to 6 divided by 2. So x equal to 3. The value of x is 3. Now substitute the value of x in equation number 5. Substituting value of x in equation 5. So x plus y equals to 5. So x value is 3 plus y equal to 5. It goes on that side. So 5 minus 3. So y value is 2. Therefore, the solution of this equation is 3, 2.